Sometimes we start making goals and we just want things. But if we can go into figuring out our goals in total gratitude, it's like the universe opens up to what our possibilities really are. We should be hyper focusing on design work, not influencer work. And design development is product based. We're building products. Brand development is it can be that influencer model. This is what I attribute most of my success to, is because I know when to hyper focus on something. I know when I need to pay close attention to one thing and prioritize it above everything else. Because when I'm creating one of these really big ultimate projects, it takes all of my brain power, because it's not creating flat things and beautiful things. It's creating 3D things and figuring out how structurally they're strong enough. See a huge drop in sales in June. I don't want you to be like, oh, I must be a terrible designer, or this is not going well. No, I actually think you get the satisfaction of knowing everybody's sales have dropped. For those of you who want to be designers, like, what is the end goal? Is it just creativity? Is it fulfillment? Is it to get paid? Is it to build the residual income? You control your future, you guys. When you become the best at what you do, when you're at the top of your game, you can control a lot about yourself and how much money you make. If this isn't working, how do we make it work here instead? Okay. No one wants to do the things that are boring over and over and over again to make your business go. So quantity matters because it's whatever is the one that's closest to you. And that is really what the quantity strategy is all about. It's about convenience.